Hi, this is Jonas Rapp. Dian had a great idea to show you how we can create a view that will show all accounts that doesn't have any activities for the last 30 days. Let me show her and all the other ones how to do that a bit easier, a lot easier actually. Well, at first use the latest version of FetchXML Builder. You have to, anyway. Okay, I'll select the entity start account, and then let me add a few columns as well. The account unique, we need that before the views to work be working. And another one just showing the name of it as well. Name, there we go. That's all we really need. But then let's just say we don't want to show the grid. That's not so interesting to see. So that's just it. We got some results there. Very fun. But okay, how do we filter it? Like no one activities for the last 30 days. Well, let's start with a link template to add which is the relationship. Well, we go down here and find the activity regarding object ID connected to the habit. And then let's just say to it that it should be outer so that we can actually filter, so exclude those instead. And let me do just as Dian did, I will have just AA as the AS. And then we'll also add the filter here to say that this was date for created last 30 days. So last days and 30. Okay. This doesn't really do it, but now here comes the secret. Let's add some more filter. Well, she had also, it should be status should be active as well. So we have this, and then we add another connection condition that says that okay, for the AA, the related entity, we set the just the UI, the grid for it, so that it doesn't have anything, not or that it is null. So now actually have the same query as Dian tried to create. Let me just see it works. This environment doesn't have any activities anyway, but anyway, this is a query. Then we don't have to create a query at first from the maker portal. Just start doing it from the FetchXML Builder. Then we can just save it, save a new, and we can say to do it's yes to be a system view or no to be a personal view. Let me do a personal view for now, just like the other. Okay. This is actually the hardest at the challenge. Sorry. So this is the hardest thing. Account with no yes, the last 30 days. I would do it like this. You're looking for it to actually be added to the environment. And then let's just go and check it. So here, got the accounts, and then we can find this view. We should be able to. It's up here. No one activities last 30 days, and there it is. Okay, I did this in a few minutes instead of doing a 90 minutes recording. This is how we should actually do it, to do it fast and to do it very easily. Have fun.